That is not how. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Kelly. Oh my gosh. Oh no, you're. Oh no, you're like crushing the fender in the. Oh no.
Are you sick? Whoa. Get out of here, dogs! We got a moose in the yard. Get out of here! What are you in? Dia dua satu. My setup. Well, I cook underneath the hood of this thing. I've got the firebox underneath in the driver's side door there, and I push the heat. And of course, my passenger door is a warming box where I keep food warm. And we just run around with this thing and cook at different events and side of the road.
Хуй не пошел. Пиздец, ебать.
Я не просто
Охуеть!
Ёбаный в рот.